Domino's is the dominant #1 pizza chain in the world with 17,000 stores over 90 countries and sells more than 3 million pizzas every day. In Greece, we're one of the strongest players with 43 stores, proposing to our customers quality and tasty products, excellent service, great image at a very competitive price. The use of best-in-class technology is key for us in order to provide unique digital experience to our customers, but also to have the right back office and management systems. In this regard, last year we decided to implement SAP in Greece, examining a long list of possible partners where Teka System clearly stood out in terms of experience and knowledge. They support us in overcoming obstacles mainly related with the Greek law, such as tax requirements and other local regulations. So I can conclude that Teka's support has been key, and certainly it's a strategic technology partner for us in order to overcome future similar challenges in a successful way.
As a multinational company, Domino's needs to comply with all regional legislation. This is especially hard in Greece, with its hundreds of tax laws and regulations which many times contradict each other. The task of conforming to Greek tax legislation and rules was assigned to Teka Systems. They executed the whole rollout project smoothly and within our time frame requirements, showing a full comprehension of our needs and what is required by the Greek institutional framework.
The main challenges of this project were to roll out the SAP delivered by our parent company in a short period of time, with full market conformity, including projects, resources, resource assignment, and invoicing. The solution to this rollout request was a project-driven approach by Teka Systems, which maximized all values of important parameters. In addition to the standard SAP product, several extensions had to be developed in order to handle our specific business issues related to locality, regulations, and day-to-day transactions.
At Domino's, the difference is what makes us different. We have been always quality-oriented, and this has led us to the top. Therefore, every internal IT system that we use needs to be technically advanced and fully efficient in order to secure the desired customer experience. Our new SAP system is a vital internal system. Personally, I experience a truly user-friendly approach. Moreover, thanks to the top-notch technical support by the Teka team, any question that I might have is resolved in an instant.
We are very proud to have worked with Domino's on such an extensive project. The 6-month implementation period started with an extensive requirement analysis by our consulting team, followed by an overall configuration of the system and management of data. Our record and expertise helps us to secure the best-in-class implementation of any project, including this one that supports the whole operation of Domino's in Greece.
We at Teka Systems, in strategic cooperation with SAP, are your ideal business technology partner.